Good morning students. In the previous session we discussed about some problems related to arithmetic progression. So in this class also we are going to solve some problems related to AP. AP means arithmetic progression. So first problem. The fifth term exceeds the third by 10, and the sixth term is sixth term is 35. Find the AP. Find the AP. AP means terms of AP. So terms of AP means A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. So to find out terms of the APs, first let us find out the values of A and D using the given condition. So first write the given condition. Given that fifth term is denoted by T5 is exceeds the third term. So exceeds means greater than, exceeds the third term by 10, means fifth term is greater than third term by 10. This is the given condition. Next one more condition is given. Sixth term is 35. So sixth term is denoted by T6. T6 is 35. So sixth term is denoted by T6 defined as A plus 5D. A plus 5D is equal to 35. Call this equation as 1. Here simplify this equation. T5 can be defined as A plus 4 into D is equal to T3, third term is defined as A plus 2D plus 10. So A get cancels. Take this term into left side. 4D minus 2D is equal to 10. 4D minus 2D, 2D is equal to 10. Therefore, D is equal to 10 by 2. Therefore, D is equal to 5. Now, we want A. So, put D is equal to 5 in equation 1. So, put D is equal to 5 in equation 1. So, first consider equation 1. Equation 1 means A plus 5D. A plus 5D is equal to 35. Substitute here. D means 5. A plus 5 into D means 5 is equal to 35. A plus 5 into 5, 25 is equal to 35. Therefore, A is equal to 35 minus 25. 35 minus 25. Therefore, 35 minus 25 is 10. Therefore, A is equal to 10. Now, find the required AP. Required AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. So, A means 10, 10 plus D, D means 5. So, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, etc. Therefore, required sequence or required AP is 10, 15, 20, etc. Okay, next problem. Next question. Which term of an AP 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2 is 5. So here we want to find out position of 5, means here we want to find out 5 is the, here given first term is 1 by 2, second term, third term is 3 by 2. Here we want to verify 5 is 4th term or 5th term or 6th term. So here first assume that 5 is the nth term. Suppose if we, next let us find out value of n. Suppose if we get n is 4, means then 5 is the 4th term. Suppose if n is 5, then 5 is the 5th term. Suppose if n is 6, then 5 is the 6th term. So here to find out position of n, first find the value of n using the given conditions. So using the given sequence. So by using given sequence, first term means a is equal to 1 by 2, d means common difference. So second term minus first term, 1 minus 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So d is equal to 1 by 2. So next assume that 5 is the nth term. So we want here n value. Okay. So now consider formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So Tn means 5, a means 1 by 2 plus n minus 1, we want n, therefore write as it is, into d means 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So take this term into left side. 5 minus 1 by 2 is equal to n minus 1 into 1 n minus 1 divided by 2. Yes, subtract the two term, find the LCM for the denominators. Here denominator is 1, so LCM for 1 and 2 is 2. Next multiply each term by LCM. LCM is 2. 5 into 2, 10 minus 1 by into 2 in 1 by 2 into 2. So 1 is equal to n minus 1 divided by 2. So 10 minus 1, 9. 9 by 2 is equal to n minus 1 by 2. So next cross multiply here, 9 by 2 into 2 is equal to n minus 1. 2 to get cancels, 9 is equal to n minus 1. Take out minus 1 into left side becomes plus 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. Therefore n is equal to 10. Therefore 5 is the 10th term of the sequence. Therefore 5 is 10th term. 10th term of the sequence A, B, or 10th term of the sequence 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, etc. Okay, next let us move on to next problem. Next problem is 8 is the term of an EP 1 by 3, 4 by 3, 7 by 3 to etc. So here we want to verify 8 is the term of this sequence or not. So first term is given 1 by 3. First let us assume that 8 is the nth term of the sequence and then find out the value of n. Suppose if n is a positive integer, so then it is the term of the sequence, otherwise it is not the term of the sequence. So first let us find out value of n. So here consider given sequence 1 by 3, 4 by 3, 7 by 3. So therefore first term A is 1 by 3. So D means second term 4 by 3 minus first term. So 3 is LCM, 4 minus 1, so 3 by 3, 1. D is 1. So assume that 8 is the nth term. Tn is equal to n. We want n value. Okay. So consider formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute here Tn means 8 is equal to a means 1 by 3 plus n minus 1 into d means 1. So take this term into left side. 8 minus 1 by 3 is equal to n minus 1 into 1, n minus 1. So subtract these two terms. LCM is 3. 8 into 3, 24 minus 1 by 3 into 3, 1. 3 3 get cancels, 1. So n minus 1. So 24 minus 1 is 23. So 23 by 3 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore n is equal to, take minus 1 into left side, 23 by 3 plus 1. So add these two terms. 3 is LCM. 23 by 3 into 3. 3 3 get cancels. 23 plus 1 into 3. 3 is equal to n. 23 plus 3. 26 divided by 3 is equal to n. So therefore n is equal to 26 by 3. So but n means number, it represents number of the term. It is always positive integer, but here we get a fraction. Therefore 8 is not the term of the sequence 1 by 3, 4 by 3 and 7 by 3. Okay, next problem. Next problem. Find the three numbers which are in AP whose sum is 18 and the product is product is 210. Product is 210. So here first let us assume that three terms of the AP is A minus D, A and A plus D. So let A minus D, A minus D, A plus D be the required three numbers. Required three numbers in AP. So next write the given conditions. Here we want to find out these three numbers. So first we want to find out here A and D. So using the given conditions. So given that sum of these three numbers is 18. So A minus D plus A plus A plus D is equal to 18 and their product is 210. So product of these three terms means A minus D into A plus D is equal to 210. So by solving these two equations, so find the value of A and D. So here simplify. Minus D plus D get cancelled. A plus A plus A. So 3A is equal to 18. A is equal to 18 by 3. So therefore A is equal to 6. So now substitute A is equal to 6 here. So first A minus D into A plus D. So that is A square minus D square, okay, into A is equal to 210. So substitute here A means 6. 6 square is 36. 36 minus D square into A means 6 is equal to 210. Next multiply 6 into 36, that is 216, minus 6 into D square, 6D square is equal to 210. So take this term into left side and take minus 6D square into right side, 216. So it becomes minus 210 is equal to minus 6d square, it becomes plus 6d square. 216 minus 210 is 6. So is equal to 6d square, therefore d square is equal to 6 by 6 is equal to 1. D square is equal to 1, therefore d is equal to, so square root of 1 means d is equal to plus or minus 1. So d is equal to plus or minus 1 and d is equal to 6. Therefore required 3 numbers are substitute here. A means 6, d means plus or minus 1. So if A is 6, first consider if A is 6 and D is equal to plus 1, first consider plus 1, then required 3 numbers are A minus D. A plus D means A means 6, 6 minus D, so 6 minus 1 is 5, A means 6, A means 6, D means 1. So 6 plus 1, 7. So therefore required 3 numbers are 5, 6, 7. Next consider next condition, D means minus 1. So if A is equal to 6, D is equal to minus 1, then required numbers. First number A minus D, A plus D. First term is A minus D. So A means 6 minus D. D means minus 1. Minus of minus 1 plus 1. So that is 7. A means 6. A plus D 6 plus minus 1. So 6 minus 1, 5. Therefore required 3 numbers are 7, 6, 5 or 5, 6, 7. Therefore required 3 numbers in AP are 5, 6, 7. Okay, next problem is the sum of 4 numbers which are in AP is 28 and 10 times of the least number is 4. The sum of 4 numbers, the sum of 4 numbers which are in AP is 28 and 10 times the least number. 10 times the least number is 4 times the greatest number. 4 times the greatest number. Find the numbers. Find the numbers. So here we want to find out 4 numbers. So first let us assume that, so required 4 numbers to be A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus 3D, A plus D and A plus 3D. So let A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D be the required 4 numbers. Be the required 4 numbers. Next write the given data. Using the given data, here we want to find out value of A and D and then find out these 4 numbers. So first condition, the sum of 4 numbers is 28 means A minus 3D plus A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 3D is equal to 28. So first simplifying this condition, minus 3D plus 3D get cancels, minus D plus D get cancels, A plus A plus A plus A. So 4A is equal to 28, therefore A is equal to 28 by 4. So 28 by 4 is 7. Okay. So next write the next condition. Given that 10 times the least number. So here we have 4 numbers. Among them least one is a minus 3d. So 10 times of the least number means 10 into a minus 3d is means equal to 4 times the greatest number. Among them greatest number is a plus 3d. So 4 times of the greatest number means 4 into a plus 3d. 4 into a plus 3d. So this is the given condition. By solving this condition, find the value of d. So by substituting a is equal to 7 here. So 10 into a means 7 minus 3d is equal to 4 into a means 7 plus 3d. Simplify. 10 into 7 70 minus 10 into 3 30 d is equal to 4 into 7 28 plus 4 into 3 12d. So take this term into right side, take this term into left side. 70 minus 28 is equal to plus 30d plus 12d. 70 minus 28 is 42 is equal to 30d plus 12d is 42d. So therefore d is equal to 42 divided by 42. 42 divided by 42, therefore d is equal to 1. So d is equal to 1, a is equal to 7. Therefore required 4 numbers are substitute here. A means 7 minus 3 into d. D means 1. So a means 7 minus d. D means 1. 7 plus d means 1. A means 7 plus 3 into d means 1. So 7 minus 3 into 1 3. 7 minus 3 4. 7 minus 1 6. 7 plus 1 8. 7 plus 3 into 1 3. 7 plus 3 10. Therefore required 4 numbers. So in AP are 4 6 8 10. Next let us move on to the next problem. Next problem, last one. If 3 by 5 k 13 by 5 are in AP. Then find the value of k. Then find the value of k. So here given that these 3 terms are in AP, therefore difference between any term and its previous term is constant, that is denoted by d. So here consider k minus 3 by 5 is d, and also 13 by 5 minus k is also equal to d, because the terms are in AP, therefore difference is d. Now compare these 2 equations. Call this equation as 1, this equation as 2. Now compare these 2 equations. We get k minus 3 by 5 is equal to, so d means 13 minus 5 by k. 13 by 5 minus k. So next take minus k into left side and this constant term into right side. K minus k becomes plus k is equal to 13 by 5 minus 3 by 5, it becomes plus 3 by 5. So k plus k, 2k is equal to 5 is the LCM. So denominator is same, therefore directly add the numerator. 13 plus 3. So 2k is equal to 13 plus 3 16. 16 by 5, therefore k is equal to 16 by 5, cross multiply here into 2. So 2 8. So therefore k is equal to 8 by 5. K is equal to 8 by 5. We will continue in next class. Thank you.